landing, fasten your seatbelt tight. Put both feet together, firmly on the floor, slightly under your seat. Place one hand over the other on the back of your head. Bend forward, elbows outside your knees. Rest your head on the seat as much as you can. If you have a child on your lap, place one hand on your head. Lean over your child and place one hand on their
It's
head.
radio comedy with Andy Hamilton. It's Saturday afternoons, and it's back as the day.
To guide you to the
Half an hour, so they're really funny.
And then
really are, actually.
the cabin goes in and please remember where your nearest exit is. It might be right there behind you. If you need to open a door, move the big handle in the direction of the arrow. As the door opens, the slide will inflate. If it doesn't, then just pull the red handle. Leave everything behind you and take off anything that could damage the slide. Jump on the slide, and when you get to the end, move away quickly. The slides can also be used as
Well, I
well.
love, did you see the...
Okay, when you're ready to go, please then make sure your seatbelt is fastened lower down. Your seat's upright, the armrest is down, and your footrest is tucked away. If your screen isn't in the back of the seat in front of you, return it to its home now. There's a safety hazard in your slide. Have a good look through to remind you of what
It had a charger.
information about this particular
It's the only one that I have that
Please
has a
always pay
charger
attention to the
and
signs and the crew. They're there to
headphones.
keep you safe. So if you have any
I've
questions,
got two of
just
those.
ask.
I'll be on the same.
Yeah. Well, I bought all electric blue, so you know which one's mine.
Right with the arm. You're the one who normally breaks loose.
I bought all the red ones and then you copied
No,
the red ones.
I bought the red ones. You copied me, and then you kept on insisting that you were breaking your own. I'll break your feet. Because that was her when I was about 9, 10, 11, something. Okay, to a pottery class. She came with me to like a 4-day half-term course. And some small boy who'd been quite annoying all week anyway, he was there spinning one of the tabletop wheels round and round, and she had her glasses next to it. And he kept on spinning it, and you could see she couldn't give it the side eyes. It was near her glasses. A couple of times she's like, "Can you just watch out for my glasses?" And he was like, carry on spinning. And she was like, "If you break my glasses, I'll break your face."
How old was he?
That's what I said, maybe about 10. He was a bit like,
Big scary woman.
Oh, I was terrified.
everyone was. Actually, both my parents
Do
think
you want to
people
lose
were
this or should I hold on to it and lose it? It's a shame you can't Bluetooth these headphones. You have to have
like wireless headphones.
into this.
Sorry. They meant your phone.
Touch me, man. It's already playing. Feel like that one. Despicable Me Forward.
Well, that's one I watched like 7 times. That's the one where the suckers stick it things. It's not going to be a very interesting video, I don't think, because annoyingly it's so